Hey y'all, it's your girl Jay Slay and I'm back with another video. I am coming here today to turn this little blank nook into a linen storage area because my linen closet is way down here. Let me turn on the light so y'all get it. I gotta walk way down here to the linen closet by the guest bathroom just to get some towels, and your good sis don't want to walk that far. So let's get started. So these are 24-inch floating shelves by the brand Threshold. I purchased these from Target. Yes, they were about $24. And I know they were like, oh, well, that's kind of expensive, but I wanted the shelves to be solid. I would have went with my, go to Amazon, but I just wasn't sure. Okay, for a shelf, I needed to be sturdy. So what I'm showing you here are the directions, the 2 screws, and the holster stud. I guess that's what you call it. I have a Phillips head here, and then I also have a bigger one and a drill. And I have a pencil too because I'm going to be drawing on this wall a little bit, just a little bit. All right, so what you see me doing here is measuring out the space from the edge of the shelf to the hole in the back of the shelf where the screw will hook onto. That is very important. If you don't get that measurement right, your shelf will be crooked. It won't sit sturdy how it's supposed to, and you'll see me mess up on here. So learn from my mistakes. Don't be me. Even though I measured, I didn't make sure it was measured out accurately, but once I got to shelf 2 and 3, it was easy breezy. Okay, so now that I have the 2 anchors sturdy in the wall, I'm gonna find the drill bit that fits the anchor, and I'm gonna go ahead and secure that anchor into the wall here. Now where I messed up was I didn't make sure that the holes for the floating shelf were absolutely like straight lined. It was off probably by like a centimeter or so because it did fit, the shelf did fit on it, but it wouldn't push all the way back. It's supposed to go all the way back against the wall. So yeah, and I have 2 more examples of me doing this. So you're gonna see my screw up and then that's it. Bruh. So what I end up doing, guys, because there's no way to fix it once you already have the studs in, I ended up repositioning this shelf a little bit low on the wall. Yes, I did have 2 holes in my wall. However, I did have some, whatever you call that, drywall filler. I don't know. I don't work in construction. Anyway, I just happen to have some handy dandy drywall filler in my closet. Don't ask me why. But yeah, so I just took it off. It took my loss. It's gonna be nice and pretty anyway. I filled it in with the drywall filler, and it's stuff in front of the holes anyway until I can get some touch-up paint and touch those spaces up. But until then, girl, don't nobody know it's there but me and you now. So, sis, keep my secrets. And let me go ahead and apologize now. I forgot to tilt my camera up so you could see me doing the second shelf. Duh! But thankfully, my new ring light that is like 6 feet tall just came in the mail, and your good sis will have no recording problems at any angle, any heights whatsoever going forward. So yeah, I'm sorry y'all, but y'all see me putting in I'll put in the third one and you'll be able to see me put it in. But I mean, once you see me do one, you get the concept, and it's pretty simple. So, you know. All right, so in this next frame, you'll see the 2 holes that I made with the previous screws and anchor, and I'm just filling that in. You know, I do not know what it's called, y'all, but oh my gosh, and why I have it, don't ask me. You know, mind your business. You know, don't be so worried about what I'm doing. Okay, sis. All right, I'm just gonna take a damp cloth and wipe that off. I have this sign here from Hobby Lobby. It was for $17.99. It has that darker trim that matches my cabinets. So with the color of the shelves and then the sign in the hamper, everything will start to blend in. I'm adding my towels on top now. So I went with white, gray, and a mustard colored towel. Alright, as you can see, everything is coming together. I got this little rug to sit in front of my little nook here. It was $9.99 and I got it from Burlington. It's a black and white rug, but it comes off gray, so it kind of works. So these 2 decorative items I got from Marshall's. One is $4.99 and the other one is $2.99. And I just put the little glass plant inside the black little cube. And I thought that was cute, you know, a little razzle dazzle. The little dove on the shelf was $4.99 from Marshall's. And I have added my 3rd shelf in. And I'm sorry, my camera's always crooked. I gotta get better. This little bin came from Marshall's and it was $7.99. I bought 2 of them, the same exact ones. It's black and it has a chocolate color handle, chocolate color wood handle. And y'all, it's the next day, so that's why I got on different clothes. My camera is always crooked. Like, I have to do so much better, oh my goodness. And I will never know until I do my review of the video and do my voiceover. But that's just the second bin I just showed you, same price. And they say organize on the front. I'm gonna add the dove that's on that 2nd shelf down to the 3rd. Gonna put that right in the middle. You can put whatever you want in those bins. I'll probably put like 2 rolls of tissue, maybe like 4 rolls of tissue, and then in the other one, I'm not quite sure. I don't know, haven't decided, but this is how it looks, guys. This is the final look with my shelves with everything on it. It turns out so cute. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this is the nook in my master bathroom before I did this. Hey now. So tell me what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It's your girl J Slay, and I'll be back with more videos.